Just imagine this, a packed bar in Anchorage, Alaska of people laughing, dancing, and minding their own business when out of nowhere, a thug pulls out a Glock with a drum magazine, ready to spray bullets and turn the place into a battlefield. But this guy didn't expect what came next. Before he could unleash chaos, a quick-thinking security guard made a split-second decision that saved dozens of lives. He ran outside to his trunk, pulled out an AR-15, and didn't hesitate. What happened next? The armed thug got dropped before he could even fire off his drum. One shot, and the nightmare was over. The crowd was safe, and one brave guard is now being praised as a hero for his situational awareness and courage. This story is yet another reminder that danger can come at any moment, but so can everyday heroes willing to step up and protect strangers. If you were in that bar, what would you have done? Let me know your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe for more breaking stories like this one. Stay alert, stay safe, and stay blessed. Another reminder that life can change in a second. Stay ready, stay prayed up, and if you haven't given your life to Christ, do it now. Because tomorrow's never guaranteed. God bless you and stay safe out there.
About that bar break time, about that 90-minute time period, we'll have the block blocked by patrol cars, so there won't be any vehicles coming and going in the 700 block. So that means that what the officers are going to do is they're going to start dispersing the people that are coming out of the bar, making sure they don't congregate in front of the bar.